Hey guys, so this is how you're going to add a frequently asked question page in Wix. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to your Wix website or your Wix dashboard where you can see all of your websites. And then from here, click or hover over the site that you want to add a frequently asked question page to. Click on edit site and it will take you immediately to the Wix website editor. Now from here, all you have to do is to click on this pages and menu icon right here. And then from here, create a frequently asked question page by going on add page and then click on create a blank page because Wix website does not have a built-in frequently asked questions template. So all you have to do is to create a blank page. Now just click on that and it will immediately take you to a page that looks just like this one. Now that we have this page right here, what we're going to do is to click on add element. So just type in FAQs and then you can see this Wix FAQ. Now you're going to click on open. So this is basically an app that we're going to add to our page so that we can have a frequently asked questions section. Now from here, just click on add to site and it will be installed to your website. Just wait for it to be added and this is how it's going to look like. Now if you want to change some things from this section, what you're going to do is to click on manage FAQs and it will take you to the editor dashboard of the frequently asked questions section. Now from this here, you can see the menu right here. Like you have here, there's general questions. You can rearrange these questions by dragging these icons right here, like small circles. Just drag it wherever you want it to be. You can reorder it that way. And if you want to edit a certain section or a certain question, all you have to do is to click on edit and it will take you to the editor page once again. So this is your question and this is where you can add your answer. In the answer portion of your frequently asked questions section, you can add a Instagram link, a Twitter post, a TikTok video, a camera, or a image, a gallery, YouTube video, a video, audio file, divider, emoji. You can also add a file, a GIF, and a button, or you can also add a table. Depending on what you want to put as an answer, if you want to be more precise, you can definitely add these. And then you can also add another category. As you can see earlier, we had the general and the setting up the FAQs. Now you can add another category like maybe some good to knows. Now hit on save and it will automatically be saved as a category. So let's just click on that and maybe you can add your question right here. And if you don't know exactly what the exact questions are or the answers are, you can just simply click on create with AI and it will create a FAQ section for you. Now let's hit on save to save all of the questions and all of the changes that we have made. As you can see here, your changes were saved. That is the confirmation that we need before heading back. And this is the overview of what or how our FAQ section is going to look like. Again, you can just hit on this to rename if you want. You can duplicate this and delete it by clicking on that delete button right here. And then you can add another frequently asked questions to this category. And if you want to add a new category, you can just click on this one. Let's just expand this general section again. You can see here you have a preview button as well. These are the built-in sections of your website. It comes with the app. If you want to delete them, you can just simply go here and then click on delete. Once your changes have been saved, you can see here your frequently asked section. You can see here the new category that we have made and all of the changes that we saved. Once you're done and satisfied, you can just hit on preview to preview your website first before publishing. And then after that, you can hit on publish. And that's it.